Coming up, boys. Focus, focus, focus. Especially on the shade bits. That's the bit we're fucking
5,
up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I disintegrate.
Can you not do such a big combust, please? I only just.
Ram incinerate. And you can click.
Stun the assassin. Thank you.
Fonts.
Please.
One more font.
I had to cancel mine early, I would have died too.
Nice.
Is it percentage based, so should we go bad form as well?
I think it's flat damage, I'm not sure. I'm thinking first person to ask it.
Yeah, I asked that at the start and I didn't get an answer, so I'm just gonna go with we don't know.
Fight his vortex.
I'm like 90% sure it's flat. Right, dodge all these phantoms, guys. Dodge.
Pumpkin vortex.
Careful of the frontal straight afterwards.
Well, kind of
On
5.
the tank. Got the shield. Careful of the front he does afterwards. Oh, okay, in the ember.
Beware.
I've torn it now.
What? Dodge, dodge, dodge.
Ring spanks.
Watch out for funnel.
Be liberal with your movement here, and then we should.
Cloak and 5.
Channel, go.
Break shield.
Beware.
Dodge. Careful of the frontal afterwards.
You need to push quite hard.
We got 20.
Fight his vortex.
It's good. Really, really good. We're not fucking taking a billion taking damage now for no reason.
2 mages, Fanky, Spanks.
Sorry, I jumped on.
Never mind.
Go on. You can jump on.
Pumpkin knock.
Right,
So enough for that.
next group be ready after this goes off.
I'll do next on Lawrence because
I took it.
Right,
Oh, you could have channeled, I think. Got it.
No, I'm doing it. Oh, you do it then. Oh.
Smash on 5. I disintegrate. And power infusion. Nice.
Spanks, can you ring on top of the boss? Like we're on.
Thank you, boom a bit. Ram incinerate.
Yeah.
Someone get one.
I'm gonna get inserts again. Orange.
Fonts, please.
quite a lot of them interrupted. Next group should be going.
Get interrupt voice on the ads as well.
Kill the assassins.
Return to stone. Return to stone. Nice.
It's pushed, it's pushed.
Good.
Just focus,
Good,
boss.
good.
Kill this
man.
vanquisher, kill this vanquisher.
We still have the other one, but it's okay.
I don't have taunt out ready. Just in a second.
Cloak's going.
Okay, okay.
Right,
So,
what,
next.
make sure we're watching the frontals, yeah?
I have fucking.
The classic.
Uh-huh.
Hey, focusing.
Beware.
Yanni knock.
Dodge,
Yanni knock.
dodge, dodge, dodge.
Cloak and 5. Potions here.
There's
Where's
an
my block?
invisible wall there.
Good enough.
Res him.
Max damage.
Banks, we need to switch.
Nice.
Switch banks.
I can't now.
I'll spot Cellstone, stay up.
I've got both, so just taunt when you can.
Frontal. Frontal.
Watch out for the frontal.
Knock the birds if you can, yeah?
Cloak in 5 seconds. Every
Cloak in
left
3
CB.
seconds.
I'm proccing.
Cloak in 3 seconds.
Pump, pump,
shield.
pump, pump, pump.
Beware.
Kill
Front
Frontal.
of-
Don't kill
Careful
it.
frontal, careful frontal.
Don't know.
It's fine.
20 seconds to kill it.
I'll taunt the vent.
Just what?
Don't worry about me, just keep killing.
It's fine, it's
5
fine, it's fine,
seconds.
it's fine.
Cloaking 4 seconds.
Beware.
We've got spell queuing. We
Dead, right?
Dead, dead.
Done.
Oh no!
God.
Well done. Well done.
Oh,
God,
holy shit.
fucking see